So I bought this M yesterday. It's got a Model 30 front end loader and M2 plow. Both the rear rims are rusted apart and this one's gone. But I thought I'd see what the engine's like. Went ahead and pulled the nuts off the valve cover here. This here was sitting open without the cap on it, so I'm sure the engine, actually I know the engine's full of water because I checked the dipstick. But we'll see about pulling this cover off. Yeah, some water in there. Doesn't look too rusty though. We'll see if the valves are free. Just gonna take my hammer and... Alright, so that one's freed up. That exhaust valve. Intake's free. That one's free here on the intake. I don't know if I can get... You can probably hear that one's free, so that's pretty awesome. Now I can't get my hammer out. Pulled the spark plugs already. Water coming out of the back cylinder, and that one was wet as well, so I guess we'll pull the head off and see what we got. All right, so I got the upper water pipe off. Had to take 2 bolts loose here on the throttle lever bracket, and then there were 4 bolts, 9/16 head. Those all came out pretty good. A couple of them were easy to get to. This one here was kind of a booger, but luckily it wasn't too bad seized up, so came right loose. Now I'm going to try and pull the head bolts, see what we get. Alright, so I got the head on the M loose. Head bolts came off pretty good. Raised the rocker arms up enough to where I could get the bolts, get to those with the ratchet, and got the oil line removed, and went ahead and pulled the carburetor off. Pulling that off was a little quicker than disconnecting all the linkages, but you can see head's loose on the head, or the head's loose on the block, so I'm gonna see if I can't go ahead and get it worked off. This temperature gauge line was broken already, unfortunately. The gauge face looks like it's in pretty good shape, but anyways, I'll see if we can't lift this head off and you guys will get a good look at it. Maybe. I have to use 2 hands real quick. I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so here's a quick look of inside the cylinder. Looks like full of water. This may have a little bit of oil in with it, and this side may have just a little bit too, but it's mostly water. Let me get this cleaned out and we'll see what the cylinders look like. Here's a look at the head. Valves actually look pretty decent just from the looking at the heads of them. A lot of times they're all rusty. These aren't too bad, so I'll take a good look at the head too and see if it's cracked. I'm hoping with all that water that was in there, nothing got damaged from ice, but we'll see. All right, so I got this old sponge and see if I can't soak some of this water out or displace it. it is. May not be too bad, actually. Let me go ahead and get the top of this one cleaned off. So it was basically to the top of the stroke on this number 1 cylinder. So anyways, that's what we got. Sat outside for quite a while, I'm sure. The guy I got her from has only had it about 2 years, but it sat outside for those 2 years. I'm sure when he bought it, it was outside too. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe we'll get it running, we'll see. I bought it for parts. Has a really nice hood. The grill's in good shape, but it's painted, unfortunately. I'd already taken it off when I loaded it up because it was not attached. Fuel tank's in really good shape too. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it without light on, but probably not. Here's a look down inside the fuel tank of the M. Look how clean it is in there. It's like brand new. Anyways, so got a carb too, so I'm sure the car will be easily rebuildable. Butterfly and everything, and the choke moves, so. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching.